I also have some imagery that I am kind of reluctant to share because I don't really want to share how messed up my skin was prior to using TEAMI Blends products. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Thanks for joining me again. If you are new here, then my name is Mariah, and on this channel I do videos concerning fertility, health and beauty, reviews, and family. So hopefully you'll subscribe and stick around to join our crew. So in today's video, I am going to be reviewing a green tea detox mask by TEAMI. Yes, this video is sponsored. However, all of the opinions and all of what I'm going to share with you is my own personal opinion and my own thoughts. They are not paying me to say any of this. They did sponsor this video. They did send me this detox mask to try, but I'm going to be completely honest with you guys in this review. Also, for a discount, you can use the code THEDEX25 for 25% off $39 or more. And I always have the discount code in the description as well as in a pinned top comment. As you guys know, I have worked with TEAMI before. I actually went ahead and did their 30-day detox pack, which worked great for me. I love the results I got from it. So I figured, why not go ahead and transition from trying their tea to trying their skincare products. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the mask, and while that's drying, I'm going to talk to you guys about the benefits that I received from using this mask, which I have to say I am very satisfied with it. I also have some imagery that I am kind of reluctant to share because I don't really want to share how messed up my skin was prior to using TEAMI Blends products, but we're just going to be transparent here and share it all. Let's go ahead and get into this mask. First things first, you have to start out with a clean face. My face has already been washed, so it's clean, but I'm going to go ahead and use a warm damp cloth to moisten my face as well as open up my pores. And don't mind me, I am just putting some extra moisture all over my face so that when I apply it, it'll go on smoother. I also wanted to mention that if you put this in the refrigerator, it has a very cooling sensation, and it also helps with the bags that I get under my eyes in the morning. Okay, so like I said, you want to start off with dampened skin. You want to apply a thin to medium layer upon your face, and you can also apply this mask to your neck. I personally just don't because I rather just keep it on my face, but I do apply it also to kind of around my hairline because I do put products and sometimes oil around my hairline, so I do tend to get acne there. And then you just wait 10 to 15 minutes for it to dry. So while it's drying, I will go ahead and show you guys what my face was looking like before I started using TEAMI Blends products. As you guys can see, I had some major acne going on. I had a lot of dark marks centered especially around my cheek areas. I was working out a lot of red spots. My skin was just overall very splotchy and also very inflamed and irritated. And you guys can see after I did the detox pack and everything, my skin kind of calmed down, but I still had some inflamed areas. I was still getting some cystic acne spots, and I know I just needed something a little bit more. So I figured I would try this mask for a few weeks and see how it did for my skin. I personally have combination skin, but my skin is way more on the oily side. The only parts of my skin that tend to dry out are around pretty much my mouth. Everywhere else tends to get super oily, but the problem I tend to have is that some products dry my face out entirely too much. It completely strips my face to where I have all these flaky dry patches. With the TEAMI Blends mask, I didn't really run into that problem. Every time I use it, my skin feels super smooth, super refreshed afterward. You can use the mask from 1 to 4 times a week. Most weeks I used it on average about 3 times a week. I think last week though, I might have only used it once or twice. And they say that it's also better to use at nighttime. For me, I didn't really notice a difference between using it at nighttime versus using it first thing when I wake up in the morning. It didn't really seem to matter what time of day I was using the product. I still got the same level of benefit. My skin was less oily. I'm getting less breakouts. And when I do break out, I admit that I tend to pick things sometimes, which I know I shouldn't, but they heal a lot faster in using this product. Like, I have a few open spots mainly on my chin, and when I use this product, I can put it right over top of them. It doesn't burn my skin. It doesn't cause dark marks. If anything, it helps my skin heal a lot faster than it normally does. So all in all, I feel like the product does what it says it's going to do. This is not the type of product that you're going to use it and overnight you're just going to see results like that. You have to use this product the 1 to 4 times a week. And if you have like really oily skin like I do, I would recommend starting out using it 3 times a week. If you find that that's not quite enough, go ahead and use it the 4 times a week. Maybe that's a little bit too much for you, so maybe use it 2 times a week. For me, 3 seems to be like the happy medium point that my skin seems to be doing really well. The detox mask is also 75% organic, so that's another thing I love about it. It's way more natural than some of the other things that I have tried. It has lemongrass, clay, and matcha in it. It also contains a sweet almond oil. I know some people are allergic to almonds, so I just wanted to kind of throw that out there. It has organic aloe leaf, and it also contains vitamin E. So the mask has this combination of natural ingredients that are built specifically to reduce the inflammation of your skin. The clay definitely sucks out toxins, and the lemongrass kind of wakes up your skin and leaves you feeling more refreshed. So in case you can't already tell, I'm a fan of this mask. I have super sensitive skin, and I have tried a lot of different products, and most things are either too harsh for my skin or too weak and don't do anything at all. So with this mask, I feel like it's gentle enough for my already very sensitive skin, yet it does the job in reducing the oiliness of my skin, which therefore reduces the amount of acne that I get from week to week. It also helps too if you have hormonal acne. I, in the beginning of my cycle, tend to get pimples right here and above like my hairline right here and in my eyebrows, oddly enough. Yes, I know it's weird, but I do get pimples in my eyebrows. It happens at the beginning of my cycle and I can't control it. But with using this mask, it's definitely reduced the number of pimples that I had. I think this time I've only had 1 pimple and I got rid of it using this mask within 2 to 3 days. So yeah, overall, I feel like the mask can be very beneficial for everyone, but especially for those of us who have sensitive skin, that is that oily combination skin. Okay, so I'm back. I went ahead and rinsed that off. I don't know if y'all can see this, but I actually got some of this on my ribs, so I'm gonna have to wash this bad boy. But my skin once again feels very soft and smooth. Like, it feels silky. That's how the only way I can really like describe how your skin is gonna feel after you use it, or at least my skin feels that way. Like I said, my skin doesn't feel dry. It feels moisturized, and this is before I even put on any moisturizer. And again, I want to say that I believe that with TEAMI products, you do need to use them over a course of time. With the 30-day detox that I did, I used it over the course of 30 days to see very holistic results. With this mask, I use it over the course of 3 weeks to see these cleared up results. So with these products, like I said, you are not going to see results overnight. You have to commit to using them over a set period of time in order for you to get that result that you're ultimately looking for. So that's really all I have to share with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please go ahead and give us a huge thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and do that now to join our crew. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads, and I hope you all have a wonderful week. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.